Hello friends, in last lecture we have discussed about basic building blocks of Java. Now in this lecture we are going to cover basic data types of Java. The first data type of Java is integer. It takes the value from 0 to n. Second data type is a float. It can take a value just like this, 1.2f. Third data type is a double. So it is just like a float number, but it varies in the size of a number. So we'll have 1.2d, d for double. Fourth data type is a character. It takes or denotes a single character. So to denote a single character, we use a single quote. And last data type is a string. We can have a double quotes, and within that we have a string. In this lecture, we are going to cover a simple Java program in different ways. So let's start with that program. Our program is addition of two numbers. So for that, we'll start with a class. Our class name is add, curly bracket open. We have to use a public static void main string args, that is main method. So public static void main round bracket open, within round bracket string args is a array. Again curly bracket open. To add two numbers we need two variables, and to store the result again we need one different variable. So we'll initialize those variables int a comma b comma c. We'll have a value. A is having 2, b is having 3 value. We'll store this result of addition within c. So we have a formula, c is equal to a plus b. Now the result is stored in c. So we have to print. So by using system dot out dot print ln, will directly display the value. We have to close main method, again a class. So this is the program of addition of two numbers. Now we have to execute this program. So to execute the program we need a command prompt. So we have a command prompt opened. Now our program name is add and the extension is Java. Already we know. So start. Java C is the compiler. We have to use a program name add dot Java is the extension. So it will compile the code and it moves to the next line. Next line we have to convert this add.java code into the machine readable code. For that purpose we need a Java interpreter. So Java is the interpreter. So Java add. So it will display the output, that is addition of two numbers, that is 5. So output is 5. That's it. So how we can modify the same program, because within this program we are not created any object. So our aim is to create an object, and by using object we can call a method. Within the method we have this same code. So let's start with that code. So addition of two numbers by using one method. So start with the code. Class add curly bracket open. Now we have to create a method. So directly we can start with the variables declared, that is integer a comma b comma c semicolon. We have a method which doesn't return anything. So void add1 is a method. We can take any method name. So we have taken add1. Curly bracket open. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to a plus b semicolon. We have to display. So system dot out dot print ln double quotes we can give the message also. So addition, double quotes close, plus we have to display this. So plus C, where our result is stored. Round bracket close, semicolon. After that, curly bracket close. Now we have created a class add, and we have written one method. And within this method, we have to use another method, that is main method, in which we are creating the object of this add and we call this method. So start with that. So next step is we can create a main method. So public static void main into the bracket string args square bracket open close, round bracket close, curly bracket open. Now we have to create an object of class, because we know Java is a programming language which depends on object and classes. So we'll create a object of this add class. So add is a class. We'll create an object. We can create any name of object. So A1 is a name we give. After that, a keyword new, add, round bracket open close semicolon. So A1 is the object which created to call the add one method. So we'll directly call the add one method, because we know by creating object we can call any type of properties of a class. So properties of a class is add one, is the property of a class, that is method used within the class. So A1 dot add 1, round bracket open close semicolon, curly bracket close. So we have closed main method. Now we have to close the class. Now we have to run this. So we have to follow the same process just like our previous program. So we'll follow the process. We open the command prompt, that is cmd. After that we have command Java C is a compiler. Our program name is add.java. After that we have to use a Java interpreter. So Java add. So it will directly display the output. So within the code we have given one message also. So addition 5. So this is the output of your program. Now we will create another program which contains two different classes, and one class is having main method, another class is having a method that contains the addition of two numbers. So first class is class demo, which contains the add one method. So class demo, again demo doesn't contain a main method. So class demo will have a integers a comma b comma c semicolon. After that we have a method. So method name is void add one is a method, curly bracket open. Within this we have to add. So first declare the numbers. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to a plus b semicolon. So we have to display the value of c. So we use system dot out dot println, and within this we will have a one string addition plus will display the value of c, plus c, round bracket close semicolon. So here our method close, here our class close. Now we have to create another class which contains a main method, but to access the properties of this demo class we have to create an object of demo within that class. So let's start with that. So class add demo is our new class which contains a main method. So class add demo, curly bracket open. So this class contains main method. So public static void main string args, curly bracket open. If we want to use the property of this demo class, so property of demo class is add1, so we have to call add1 to calculate all this addition of two numbers. So we have to create object of demo. So object of demo means we can create, so demo is a class, d1 is object, new demo, round bracket open close and semicolon. So d1 is object. So by using this d1 object, we can call the method within demo class. So d1 method name is add1. So d1 dot add1, round bracket open close semicolon. After that main method close. After that your class close. Now the trick is how we can run this program, because we know that we compile the program but we can't run the program which doesn't contain a main method. So start with how we can execute or run the program. So open command prompt cmd. After that, first step, we have to compile a demo class. So demo.java, we can't run it because it doesn't contain a main method. After that, we have to compile our add demo class .java and we have to run add demo. So it will give the output addition 5. In this way we can create two different classes and we can call one class from another class. That's it.